And alright kids, let's dive into the magical world of reading.
Let's go!
Read along, read aloud.
Read aloud.
Words and stories where we belong.
We belong.
Big or small, short or long.
Short or long.
Books will make our minds grow strong.
So strong.
Let's gather round, it's reading time. With books so fun, oh what a climb. We'll dive in deep, explore each page. Knowledge waiting at every stage.
Read along, read aloud.
Read aloud.
Words and stories where we're alive.
We belong.
Big or small, short or long.
Short or long.
Books will make our minds grow strong.
So strong.
The more we read, the more we know. Watch our imaginations grow.
From tales of nights to outer space, each book takes us to a special place.
The more we read, the more we know. Watch our imaginations grow.
From tales of nights to outer space, each book takes us to a special place.
The more we read, the more we know. Watch our imaginations grow. From tales of nights to outer space,
Each book takes us to a special place. Read along, read aloud. Words and stories where we're alive. Big or small, short or long. Books will make our minds grow strong.
So strong.
now grab your favorite book. Let's see what adventures await.
Let's read.